Morning, everyone.
These are canceled.
Man, I just finished my coffee.
still
I got
are.
Top Step on the background.
Maybe they
I
came
mean, knew
down
those
here.
guys. They're wonderful, but so I'm sure Bitcoin, micro Bitcoin. Trades have taken. Trades have taken. Horrible averaging in. Trades have taken on micro Nasdaq. So I sold the high, bought at bought close to support, end of the volume profile as well. 44s. Could have this bounce? Yes. Was I anticipating the break? A little bit too. We kind of ranging. Do I feel bad about it for not really cashing out? We're coming back to the prices that I shorted last night through here, but Vo SPD, no trend. So good job, Dr. Doomy. Took a couple of bucks there. What else? I shorted MES a little bit early. Not really. 26, 21, 20s. And I closed at 11 and 12. It's close to 10 points. About 10 points, 10, 11 points. Hey, 10, 11 points, it's good game on ES. Don't get me wrong. Oh, Bitcoin moving. Let's keep an eye on that. It's my first day trying MBT. I haven't traded MBT ever. Micro Bitcoin. I'm in to see that break. We got the trend line. We got a lot of data. I got, let me bring that on. Got this. The long-term stochastic is coming down, and so and so. So it's probably going to be a deeper retrace before we place a new high. Is what I'm thinking. My mental capacity a little down after the two trades with micro Nasdaq and micro ES. We're hitting that support, that pivot. If it breaks, it breaks. If it doesn't, it doesn't. I don't have the mental fortitude anymore to get back in it and chase into this, since 50 SMA is flat on the 5 and on the 15. I've seen this 2 deviations up, maybe a deviation, 2 deviations down, and we kind of either range or we break out violently. I got nothing at this point. I'm keeping an eye on it. It has to be really good for me to apply that risk. This is the 5-minute. MBT has given me this low before, and I didn't take it twice. It's pretty much the same trade from rejecting the high or a deeper pullback back to, well, this is support. Back to the high volume node on the profile. And I think that point of control, I should have taken it at for 442. I think I should have taken it, but here we are. I got a bigger target. Potentially, if we start bouncing from this trend line, if we come down there and we start bouncing, I'm gonna take some. That's definite. That I'm taking some of this level. If we don't bounce now, I'm up. Last night, a previous video that I posted up. Excuse me. I've taken 1,250 bucks. I'm up 1,700 bucks now, and I gotta take a phone call. Hello? Yes. Pretty good. Oh no, I got the cards and everything. You are wonderful. You as well. Have a blessed week. Bye bye. Insurance people, they gave me a good deal on the car insurance. You gotta be nice, you know. Same as the market. You, you, you gotta get the best bid. I got good people behind insuring my cars, and I have absolutely no complaints. Okay, that's distracting me. We're up $100. What time is it? It's 10:21. This is usually where New York retail storms the front with options. Volume SPD is breaking out under, and VIX is pushing. Indices are selling off a little bit. I'm gonna. I don't want to play it safe here. I don't want to play it safe here for micro Bitcoin, even though let me bring this down. How do I bring this down? Okay, here we go. Even though it's the 5 minute opening range on micro Bitcoin. Risk on, risk on. The indicator is not ideal. So we held, we rejected. What's that? 761. Where am I at? I'm at 760. I'm fading the trend here. Since I haven't traded the instrument, I'm surely hoping for in alignment correlation with the rest of the market, like Nasdaq and ES. And if it's a negative correlation to it, well, so be it. I see now then the spread becomes awful here. You see how I get stuck at 510 at 10 points. I could get the break even, but just because I happen to be at the top of the opening range, well, a little bit above it, about 2 points from the top of the. Nah, I'm right at it. Top of the opening range. I don't want to have my stop there. We could revisit and stay in this range for an excessive amount of time. Keep an eye on the 15. We're hooking down everything. It's not ideal. I'm fading the trend, and so far the only thing that it's lining up is the rest of the market selling off, and I have the 1, 2, 3. That will be there's the full cycle after the cross, and so on, and it's a little head and shoulders. We don't have a divergence. It's on a negative momentum wave 2, and it's a relative bottom of the 200 MA. So if we bounce again from here, or if we start pushing up towards this, I'll probably take the break even or a small loss above these guys at 860s. Yeah, that's a lot, but hey, it is what it is. You know, I've seen this setup thousands of fucking times, and do I feel bad for shorting and taking my money down here? Not even one bit. It was the high probable place. Was I somewhat anticipating it or could foresee the break under 921? I've been calling that price for a couple of days now. Yeah, but it is what it is. The trade was a success. It was a great success. All right, wait. What's this? 640. All right, I'm gonna mark 640 as a price of reference. I'm gonna mark 640, and I'll keep on that 640. Ref. Well, ref. There we go. Boom. And we keep an eye on that. 640 is the ref. Looking at 100 ticks just because there's volume to this, but it's not a big mover. And I'm a little sketched out that it's crypto. This could blast like $300 in a second and completely. Well, it's not gonna ruin my day with $420, but it's definitely gonna eat the 2 trades I've taken earlier. I got 640 marked. I'm keeping an eye on it. We kind of contracting here. I don't get smarter once I'm in a trade, so I'm just gonna be aware of these price levels. I got the top of the 5-minute range. 640 is the mid, and the bottom is 525. Yeah, I'm gonna mark that as well, so I can have a good visual of it. And once we break under, if God willing, we break under, we close a nice 5-minute bar below it, I'm gonna limit my exposure to either break even or to the mid. interesting morning. What's today? Tuesday the 13th. It is Tuesday the 13th. Okay. And I have a fly in my office. Unfortunately, y'all can't see it on the screen, but it's right here, sitting at 405. Could this be a sign at 405? Could this be a sign to take profits at 92,405? The fly is right at it. Okay. Uh, it. Excuse me. How did he know? It's the bottom of the range. How did he know? Time for some tunes. It's time for some bangers. I'm gonna take a free signal from the fly, and I'll take half down here. You know, it's right at 200 mA. We curling down? We ain't curling down. It's -2 on the one. I ain't taking 2 there. I'm fading at a structure that it's trying to turn bullish. My technical hopes are that we hold 640 and stay under. But the big old but. Yeah, let's not ruin a good day. The new 5 minute bar opened up aggressive. The Bollinger Band top is trying to expand. Bottom is flat with view up. Yeah, you know what? I'll be taking the break even here. This
order filled.
This could completely shoot up. The trade was valid maybe over here when we rejected. I didn't take it at the low. So that's that. This is a fairly new account. I'm trying not to be too aggressive with it. These are the trades that I've taken today. Not many losers. The first one was good. $400, and things just worked out in the first 30 minutes. I just nailed it. I got a good trade with momentum, and for 923, I got into the position, and I got up to $1,691 on the day. That's so pretty good for you, boy Doom. Several small trades here, 2 tiny losers. Not a biggie. Could Bitcoin reject and absolutely sell off? Yeah, I have my coffee. I gotta go do something. It's 10:30. Retail is gonna storm the front, and I'm gonna take a small break. Make me another cup of coffee. Check with the wife, with the kid. You know, what's the point to be a day trader working from home? Have all that freedom if I'm gonna be stuck on the computer all day. So I'm done with this. Thanks for watching. It's your boy Doom. Have a blessed day. If I do something on later, I'll hit y'all up. Peace.